Let's read your book. Boy, girl, shirt, pants, socks, shoes, shoes, yeah, come see, coat, cup, Evelyn, you say cup, cup, close, chair, ball,
You know ball.
you say ball, yeah, close, boat, car,
Also back.
truck, train, airplane, teddy bear, orange, apple. You say apple, apple. Okay. Banana. You say banana. That's nice. Night night. That was night night, not banana. You say banana. Banana. Night. Flower. What's that one? What is that? Cat? You say cat. Addie. You say Addie. You go. Night night. You say Addie. Yeah. Okay, let's keep looking. Potty. What's this one? Yeah, it's a dog. You say dog. Say dog. Yeah. How about duck? Duck, 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 duck. How about fish? You show us fish. Show the sign.
Evelyn, can you fish?
You gotta sit up. Show us fish. Yeah, fish. Good job. You say mama? No, mama. Not my. Evelyn, where's Dada? That's a book. Where's Dada?
Yeah, I'm over here.
Say Dada. Say mama. Hey. Say mama. Hey, you. Standing on the table. Say mama. Oh, what is that? That's not how you say mama.
See.
You make a fart noise. Where's your nose? Nose! Where's your eye? Eye. Oh, hi. You say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good girl.